Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to work with the mirror command in SolidWorks. So let's begin. Just at first click here and select part, click on OK. Now go to sketch and from here I am selecting top plane, sketch. Okay. Now at first I am selecting the center rectangle. Okay, now go to smart dimensions and I'm taking the length 30 millimeter and the width 20 millimeter. Okay, now I'm selecting circle and at the center I'm drawing a circle. Okay, and go to smart dimensions and take it 10 millimeter. So the diameter is 10 millimeter of this circle. Okay, now go to features and click on extruded boss or base. Okay, it is 10 millimeter. Breathe. Okay, so this is the part I have drawn and now I will mirror this one. So at first click on mirror. Okay, so here I need face or plane, so just click here and I'm selecting top plane. Okay, so this is the top plane and it will be mirrored in the opposite side. So I will there are various options. So there is features to mirror, face to mirror and bodies to mirror. As it is a body, I will mirror the body. Okay, just click here and select the object. So it is mirrored here and it is merged. These two are merged. So click on OK. Okay, so it has been mirrored and they are merged together. And I hope you understand this one. And I will show you how to make mirror by keeping some distance. So go back. Okay, so now I will mirror it again and I will keep some distance in this case. Now click on reference geometry and select plane, and from here I'm selecting front plane. Okay, and I need to make some distance, so it is here 15 millimeter. Okay, so the plane is here. Now I'm clicking on mirror. So this plane is selected here. Now I need to select the body. Now select the body and make sure this one is unselected, so this two will not be merged. Okay, so this body is mirrored and same distance in both sides. I hope you understand the video, and if you think that this is useful, please make a comment, and if you have any question or any suggestion, you can mention that in the comment box, and please inform me your opinion, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.